Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2012 Honda Pilot maintenance light reset. Now we are going to use this button over here and that little screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, oil life is just 10%. Now, if it's here already, then you can just start it. But if it's not, go ahead and press this button and go find it. Just like that. Now when you get here, go ahead and press and hold. Give it about 10 seconds. It should flash. The flashing oil life should show up. Just like that. Now press and hold again. Now let go. Press and hold again. And there it is, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.